If you're tired of taking L's and want to take more W's, keep watching this fire video. Got 'em from the Nike sneakers app. I copped another sneaker from Nike. These are a pair of Air Jordan 1s that I'm going to tell you guys right now. In my opinion, these will go up in price. It will take a little bit of time, but I do see these creeping up in price. If you're tired of taking L's on sneakers, Supreme, any hyped item in our industry, you guys need to check out this free Discord group, Resellers Basement. This Discord group will help you cop sneakers, Supreme, a bunch more Amazon products. This group is dedicated to reselling. So if you're a new reseller, want some help with reselling, or hey, even if you're an advanced reseller, it's your full-time job already, you guys need to check out Resellers Basement. It's completely free to join, and I'm gonna pop up on screen some of the success from members. As you guys can see, these members are in this group for completely free, and they're making money for completely free. It's free to join. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain. Make sure you guys check out Resellers Basement with my link down below in the description. Be sure to join Resellers Basement so you never miss out on sneaker drops. You always have a chance of making money with sneakers and with other products as well. And overall, you're gonna increase your chances of copping just by joining this free Discord group. Make sure you guys click that link down below in the description. Check out Resellers Basement. I highly recommend it. I've teamed up with Resellers Basement to give you guys access to this free Discord group. So make sure you guys check them out. Trust me, you wanna make some money? It's a great way to do it. You guys will make some easy money joining this completely free Discord group. When it comes to the Nike sneakers app, for some reason, I've been turning Wi-Fi off lately, and I noticed I've been hitting a little bit more. I'm not sure if that's a thing or not, but hey, try it out. See what happens if you want to. But that's just what I've been doing, and then I've been hitting more. We got a Jordan 1 box. Woo! It's been a while since I've hit a Jordan 1 from Nike. That's been a while. I've been hitting from Nike, but a Jordan 1, it's been a little bit. Right here we have the black and red Jordan 1 box, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, don't make this mistake on this Jordan 1. Don't be lazy about it. Don't sleep on them too much. You could sleep on it right now for a little bit, as resale is not too hot. It's going for around 150, 160, 170 at the tops. It's not too much over retail. I do believe that this will become a $250 pair of Air Jordan 1s. It will take some time, but I definitely see the price creeping up in price. Don't make this mistake of sleeping on them. Do not make that mistake. I've made that mistake before, and I've had to pay the price later on. Well, I'm not doing it this time. This time, yeah, I'm keeping these. Size 11. I'm hyped for these. I haven't seen them in person in a while. I think I saw them maybe at a sneaker event once, but that was it. So yeah, finally have them in hand. Got them for retail from Nike. Like I said, I've been turning Wi-Fi off. That and restarting my phone. I close out all the apps and I restart my phone before the drop. Let me know if you guys want to see a full dedicated video on how to cop on Nike sneakers. Let me know. Leave a like. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. If you guys get this video up to an easy 400 likes, I'll do that video. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's get into these Jordan 1s. Right here we have a beautiful fire pair of Air Jordan 1s. From pictures, these are fire. And they remind me of one other Jordan 1, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. Woo! Right here we have the Air Jordan 1 Low Powder Blue. Now, this powder blue is not UNC. It is slightly darker in my opinion, but hey, it's very clean and it's very wearable. And like I said, I'll show you guys in just a second. They remind me of one other hype expensive pair of Jordan 1 Lows that go for a lot of money. So I have to compare the two, but these right here, woo! Clean, fire colorway. The color blocking is very nice. Woo! These go hard. These are very nice. One of the best Jordan 1 Lows, in my opinion, to release the entire year. These are fire. They're so clean. They're very wearable. And like I said, this blue is a little bit darker. So let me show you guys this other Jordan 1 that these remind me of a lot. And these Jordan 1s are fire and very expensive. Giveaway for the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. All you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the reverse mocha, Travis Scott, Jordan 1 lows. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of October, Halloween, so make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave that comment, and get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. There have been scammers going around pretending to be me, saying they work for me, things like that, all this nonsense. Guys, it's only me. If anyone else is portraying to be me, it's not me. Make sure you guys are checking out the profile here on YouTube, checking out over on Instagram. This scam is crazy. These platforms need to do something. So make sure you guys do not get scammed. Hey, it's only me from my accounts. Make sure you guys check out the account it's coming from. Make sure it's actually coming from me. I'm not using Telegram, WhatsApp, none of this nonsense. I don't want you guys to get scammed, so please watch out. Powder blue, Jordan 1, Travis Scott fragment, Jordan 1 low. You see what I'm saying? Now, the blue, of course, is not the same at all. And, of course, you do have more details on these, but it's kind of similar. It's a little similar. So, hey, I like it. I think the color blocking is fire. The details are just fire. The leather quality on this is soft, especially around the toe box. Very, very nice. These are clean. These are going straight to feet. I can't wait to wear these. You guys know when I wear my Jordan 1s, I always put Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom to preserve the bottom and keep it in great condition. I also have Drip Grip right now on my Nike Off-White Dunks. So as you guys can see, these are worn, and when I peel off the sole protector, it's gonna make the bottom look brand new, keeping the sneaker in great condition, keeping resale value high, and just keeping the clean overall sneaker here on the bottom, even when you wear the shoe. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip sole protectors, dripgrip.com. The link is down below in the description, and use my code DANNY10 when you place your order. That'll give you 10% off from the best sole protectors on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears, the best sole protector on the market, Drip Grip. Link down below. Make sure you guys check them out. And hey, I wore these a bunch, but I could actually, let these rest for a little bit, keep them on ice a little bit, even though they're worn already. Travis Scott fragment Jordan 1 low. Keep them on ice, but I could definitely go ahead and wear these as more of almost an everyday shoe, in my opinion. This is something I cannot wait to wear. These are clean. Woo, so fire. One of my favorites, like I said, Jordan 1 lows of the entire year. There's been a few good ones. This has to be definitely up there for me. Nike Air on the tongue. We got the OG cuts. Do not make the mistake of sleeping on these. Do not make that mistake. You will regret it later on. Trust me. It's happened to me so many times in the sneaker game where, hey, a sneaker's going for, let's just say, $30, $40 over retail, maybe $100 over retail, which is a lot. All of a sudden, they creep up, like crazy, and it's like, oh my goodness, I didn't want to spend 50, I didn't want to spend 100 over retail. Now I still want the shoe, and I'm not gonna go spend 3, 4, 100 over retail just to get it. That's crazy. So do not let that happen. I understand it won't happen as much, obviously, with these, but you guys get what I'm saying, my overall point. If you're not willing to spend 150, 160 now, I don't know if you're gonna be willing to spend 250 later on. Don't break the bank over them. Of course, make sure you guys have your priorities in order, but of course, if you want them, I say do it. I say if it's something for a personal, go ahead and do it. Investment wise, I definitely see them creeping up. It will take some time, but I think everything is there in order for this sneaker to go up in price. If these dropped, back in 2 years ago, 2020, I definitely right off the jump, this would be like a $250 sneaker already. So, hey, they're not. They're going for like 150, 160, which once again is not too much over retail, tax, shipping. It's not much over. So make sure you guys check these out. Nike Air on the insole. These are just clean and a really good color blocking. Like I said, in my opinion, they're going to creep up. And I don't want you guys to make the mistake of letting them creep up too high where you don't want to go spend the money anymore and still want the sneaker, because that feeling sucks. Trust me, I know. Definitely a clean sneaker, one of the best of the year, like I said. So make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Please get this video up to 400 likes. That would be great. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Jordan 1 low powder blue is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.